Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at Copart here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Big thanks to everybody at the front office for letting me come out and do these vehicles. I love my job, I really do. It is fun to come out here. I kind of wander around. If I see a cool car, I get to poke around inside, see if it starts, and I get to take you along with me. So let's get right to it. Well, yeah, let's get right to it because I found a car I almost stepped on. Well, here she is, and I'm kidding. I didn't step on her. I'm not that tall, and she's not that small. 2021 tire rack Mazda. I call them Miatas. They're MX5s now. I guess Miata was too girly. But this thing is a track car, and you can tell because of the tires. Look at that right there, okay? This has definitely, like we say, been ridden hard, okay? Look at the slick in the back. Look at that. This is a good looking car. Oh my goodness. I'll show you the damage here in just a moment. But this, with the black and the white and everything, let me back up the camera. There it is. Now you get a better view. MX5 SCCA, Sports Car Club of America, Sky Active G, racing tires with some damage here and right here. So apparently she, I want to say, hit the wall or something. Something happened here. Broke this part of the knuckle. Wow. Because this is supposed to be attached to this right here that's just dangling right now. Okay. What other damage do I see under here? A lot of electrical connectors. These are for your headlights and everything. You're going to need a new wheel, a new knuckle. Oh, this is supposed to go here. Wow. Okay, that just popped right off. Yeah, okay. Caliper you might be able to use. I don't know, but I would get a whole new wheel, whole new knuckle, control arm. Yeah, because that's probably going to be all jacked up. So anyway, I think she hit the wall. Something happened, popped this, and then she hit whatever those little protectors, those little barrier pieces are right here. That would have been fun. Not in a little car like this, losing control. Woo! But she's a good looking car. Let's kind of jump inside and see what she's like. These are little cars, and I've never had an MX5 or a Miata. Oh, okay. It's very snug in here. The windshield is cracked as well, but this is nice. Oh, I probably shouldn't turn the wheel, should I? Ah, probably should not. And there, she's dead as a doorknob. Okay, of course you stick shift. This is super comfortable though. It's a tiny, tiny, tiny little car. All your controls. You get a little bitty screen. Let's see what she's got under the hood. Let's just kind of briefly look under the hood and see what she's like. Here she is. Oh, this is clean. Look at this. Woo! I haven't seen an engine this clean in a very, oh, well, she's not even connected. Well, look at that. Okay, hold on. Let me put the, there we go. Put the stand back on. Someone disconnected her right here. She's got power. There you go. They even took this off. Well, let's just see what happens, okay? We can't hurt anything. Let's just make sure there's oil. And there is oil. There is oil, and it looks really, really fresh. 0W20 once again. The oil of champions. Okay. Now she's going to do something. Let's just see. This would be hard to get in and out of. Oh, now we have a light too. Okay. Here we go. Clutch in. And foot on the brake. Can you hear that? Look at these gauges. This is cool. Digital. 86 degrees. It's warming up outside. 6,660 miles. Almost 3/4 of a tank of gas. And that doesn't sound like a normal MX-5 engine. It's too, Listen to the exhaust. Wow. Yeah, that has been altered, as I would say. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. What does the exhaust sound like? I need to back this seat up because I can't get it in and out. Ugh. I love the white and the white stitching. Yeah, this car is gonna fly. This was somebody's track car. Tire rack, they put a tire rack sticker on it. Slicks almost. And I just something about that engine. I don't know, let me know what's going on, because I would think that a Mazda engine, a basic MX-5 would be quiet. It wouldn't be just like roar like that. Yeah, I don't know, the cam or something, who knows? But this is beautiful. This would be so much fun. This will put little Millie to shame, my little MG midget. But holy guacamole. The top is good. Just fix your front right parts and you'd have a nice car. All right, love it. Here's a car that is chill to the bone. Let me back it up. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Do you know? Yeah, you can see. It's a Mustang. And this person wants you to send them pictures. There you go. Those are the kind of pictures that he wants. Or she, I don't know. You never know, okay? I don't have any of those to send. I'm just gonna kind of poke around and see what this Mustang has, because it's a good looking Stang. It's got a fancy hood on it too. I don't know what's underneath. I haven't even looked yet, but this is a 2015 Ford Mustang. Lost type is all over. Well, have you found the all over part yet? That's a good looking car. Should this be my thumbnail? There you go. That's a good angle. Yeah, from there it looks great because you can't see what's happening up here. Dumbo sat on this, or some party girl was drunk and decided to climb up here and start dancing, and she weighed a little bit more than she thought. Lots of damage on the roof. The roof, as we say in Oklahoma, or the roof of the car. Big old hood scoop looking there. We have these things which actually are open. Okay, well, this could be fun. We have some damage here. This is kind of sticking out a little bit. So yeah, what happened to you? Maybe this was an all-over type of an event, because there's a dent right here, which would indicate something going this way. We have damage here, something going this way. Some scratches. I don't know. There is, well, like the sticker says, damage all over, even over here. Okay. That's a face. That is a face right there. Woo! And look at the lights above the fog lights. That's a nice little touch. Here we go. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's give her a little push start. Yeah. She runs. Hood is ajar, of course. Tire pressure sensor fault. We're syncing our Ford. Engine is on. Driver's door is ajar. Look how it says revolutions per minute. Ground speed. Ground speed. 88,000 miles. And she sounds good. She doesn't sound like you would think she would sound, but that little EcoBoost is a good engine. And she sounds nice. Just listen to her purr. Yeah, this little EcoBoost, 310 horsepower. Huh, imagine that, 320 Pound-feet of torque, I think, is what I looked up. So she will go. This is a go-fast car. Woo! Little turbo adds a little bit of kick to the Mustang. I like this. I wish it wasn't so damaged on the top. The rest of the damage I can live with, but I mean, this is the thing right here. How do you fix that? Just get a big suction cup, or do you get a jack and kind of jack it up from the armrest? I don't know. That's a big deal, but this is certainly an OSU car. Oklahoma State Cowboys, thank you very much. I like it. I like it a lot. Let me know what you think. What do you think it'll go for? You like the little EcoBoost? I think it sounds good. I think it really does. All right. Well, Ford Mustang, thank you for your service. And finally, how about a 2021 Porsche? Yes, with a little bit of nose damage. Macan. This is a nice looking SUV. This is, woo! This is muscly. In fact, oops, for some reason, like a Coca-Cola is trying to get away. Look at the little calipers right there. Bright red, Porsche red, GTS. So we're sticking with our muscle theme in this video, I guess you could say. Here's your damage. Yeah, Mike needs to start walking around cars before he starts talking about cars. This was not anticipated. Okay, so once again, you've got this B-pillar damage. Look at the inside. This is nice, but she got T-boned. Yeah, just like that other car that we had. See how this is, oh, this is bad. Yeah, this is all kinds of bad. This isn't gonna open. You couldn't get out. Remember the Lexus we looked at that had, it was T-boned, but the door still worked? Not so. This even knocked the rearview mirror right off of its holder. Scratches everywhere, even scratches on the headlight, on her nose, on her chin, broken pieces on the bumper, and the sensor or the headlight. Oh, this is a little camera. Hi, how you doing? Has become dislodged. The windshield is also broken. So what's it going to be on the inside? Oh, this is a fast car. We got a fast car, GTS with power. Look at the red. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, goodness. Okay. Well, you get one here. You get one here. Press the brake. Oh. Okay. Mix 96.5, good radio station here in Tulsa. Nice air conditioner. Well, this is a 2021, so all of this should work. Look at the roof. Look at that. I love this. It's like an aircraft in here. I really do. Oh, this is nice. We got a little bit of gas left. 35,000 miles on a 2021, 2 years old. So this has been driven. This has been driven. We'll let this warm up a little bit. Can you hear that? Let me see if I can turn down the fan. There you go. Now can you hear it? I can feel the engine kind of bump. Oh, this was such a cool place to be. Look at the red seat belts on the black with the red faced instrument cluster. Whoa! Nice, nice, nice. Look at the clock. It's even red. Is it 12:50? It is 12:50. So that's been working. Thank you. Thank you for your service. This is locked. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. Well, okay, so you had some girls living in here. Lucky girls. Lucky lady be driving this thing. Holy moly. Listen to this. And that's just at idle. Kind of bubbly, isn't it? Oh, I like this. Too bad she got T-boned. And what a lucky lady to drive her. Oh my goodness. Can we even open this? Yes, we can, if we can reach the latch. There we go. Ow, 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 ow. That's a finger, that's a finger, that's a finger. The latch was right here, and that's exactly where the damage was happening. Okay, there it is. 2.9 liter V6, but 375 horsepower. 375 horsepower. 0 to 60, 3.9 seconds. I just Googled it. Yeah, prove me I'm wrong. Ha! Woo! This is a beast. And look how the hood has the cutouts for the lights. That is a great touch. That is really, really cool. What a beautiful car. 3.9 seconds. It's a little shaky, but that's okay. Holy moly. Mikey likes this. I really do. Look, see how this covers it? And then when you shut it, there it is. Nice touch, Porsche. I don't want to leave. This is such a nice place to be, okay? We got Dua Lipa on the radio right there. Got a grandpa sitting in the seats enjoying life, and I got the air conditioner blowing full steam. Now, here we go, full speed. There it is. Oh, so nice. And I can see outside. Look at the clouds. That's gorgeous. This is crazy cool. But I have to say goodbye. I do. I got to say goodbye. And I got to say goodbye to you too, because we have to go off and make another video. Okay? So thank you for watching. I appreciate all of the views and all of the comments. I do respond to the comments. And we'll have another video coming out very, very soon. I feel like TK. You know TK? He kind of sits back in the cars and talks to you. Anyway, I'm not TK. And he's not me. So I'm going to say goodbye. And find some more cool cars, everybody, okay? We'll see you again very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.